Alright, I would like to say thank you for all the support and love. I wish you all the best. Happy always. Lovely evening to you. Hoping you enjoying a lovely evening. This is Mix D, your sexy cowboy, doing mga ballad songs, standard songs, mga OPM, Hugon love song, and lots more. Of course, mga country music song as well. Shout out to everyone. Magandang gabi, bayan. Alright, coming up next. Alright, okay, let's do something different. Yung alam niyo ba yung mga kanta na feeling nyo, gusto nyo maging in love ulit? Sige, paparinig ko to itong isang kanta na to entitled So It's You. So ito yung mga kapanahunan ko noon kasi tawag ngayon kasi mga di ba, mga millennials. Noon yung kapanahunan namin mga bagets. Alright, paparinig ko sa inyo yung kanta ni Raymond Lauchenko, So It's You. Ito yung tipong kanta na pagka natagpuan mo na yung isang ka-soulmate mo or yung sa tingin mo ito na yung taong para sa'yo, ito yung kantang to. So It's You. Alright, okay. Hanapin natin.
Covers PH.
Alright. Shout out to everyone. So It's You by Raymond Lauchenko. Original kanta ni Raymond Lauchenko to. So It's You. Smile, and that's how it all started. And then you came right in time when I needed someone, and we said hello. Suddenly my heart was beating fast, and so it's you, and I've been waiting for so long. So it's you, where were you all along? Very special moments, this will always be with me. We are here, you and I, we belong. We touched and we felt more beautiful than two hands reaching out, filled with so much longing. It felt good inside. There is no denying I'm in love. So it's you, and I've been waiting for so long. So it's you, where were you all along? Very special moments, this will always be with me. We are here, you and I, we belong. So it's you, I've been waiting for so long. So it's you, where were you all along? Very special moments, this will always be with me. We are here, you and I, we belong. We are here, you and I, we belong. Alright, dun sa mga kapanahunan natin, mga batang 80s, 90s. Alright, mga bagets people, that song is for you. So it's you. Alright, lovely evening. Shout out to everyone.